Struggling to eat less without feeling hungry? These portion control hacks make it easy. Let's kick things off with one of my favorites. Use smaller plates and bowls. When your plate looks full, your brain thinks you're eating more, even if it's less food. Try swapping your dinner plate for a salad plate, and that smaller portion suddenly feels just right. Up next, measure and pre-portion your snacks. Instead of grabbing a whole bag of chips, divide snacks into small containers or portion cups ahead of time. Make it easy to grab a single serving so you don't mindlessly munch. Here's a cool trick. Use your hand as a portion guide. For protein, think the size of your palm. Carbs, that's a cupped handful. Fats, like nuts or cheese, should fit your thumb. Hack 4. Eat mindfully and slow down. Take time to chew. Really savor each bite. Ditch the distractions. Put your phone down, close that laptop. It takes about 20 minutes for your brain to realize you're full. So slowing down means you'll naturally eat less and enjoy it more. Next, plate half veggies. Before you add anything else, fill half your plate with colorful vegetables. Veggies add volume and nutrients and help fill you up without piling on calories. More food on your plate, fewer calories in your meal. Don't forget to hydrate before meals. Drink a glass of water 15 minutes before eating to curb overeating. Often what feels like hunger is actually just thirst. Hydrate first, then enjoy your meal. Let's do a quick recap. Smaller plates, pre-portioned snacks, hand guides, mindful eating, half your plate veggies, hydrating before meals. Try these portion control hacks today and eat smarter without feeling deprived. Like, share, and subscribe for more healthy eating tips.